Hello and welcome to MTD India. Today I'm here at Tagma Die Mold Show and I'm here with Mr. Amod from SolidCAM. He's the country manager for SolidCAM and thank you sir, thank you for inviting us here.
Thank you, Ashutosh. Thank you for interviewing me.
Sir, please take us through the journey of SolidCAM in India. How did it all started and how far you have reached here?
SolidCAM in India started way back in April of 2008. I joined SolidCAM as a director of the company, almost co-founded it. And we were two of us when we started this journey. And then very soon we were joined by my current sales head, Anuj Bandari, and my vice president, sales, Arun Kumar. And our journey began with just handful of customers, 4 people, and struggle of about couple of years. We had many resellers at that time. Basically, since the product is integrated in SolidWorks, a lot of SolidWorks resellers evinced interest in joining us. But it was not a smooth ride. And soon we realized that the market is not so receptive for us. But eventually we persisted thanks to great support from my CEO, Dr. Emil Somek. He believes India is a great country and has got great potential. So we perceived for a couple of years and then our growth story began. And today we are a 50-man company, man-woman basically, we have both. In fact, I'm very proud that in my company, maximum number of female employees are working, especially in the mechanical side. It's not really common for them to be working in this part of the business, but I've got a lot of them, very strong. And we are a 50 employee company today, and we are growing every year approximately 20 to 25%. And that's basically our journey of SolidCAM. And we have more than 1,500 customers today in India.
1,500. That's a fascinating story. So in what sectors your customers are? Aerospace, defense, what kind of sectors?
Majority of our customers, since SolidCAM is scattered all over India, if you look at the southern part of the country, 90% of our business comes from aerospace. But as you come upwards to the western part, we are more into predominantly into die mold and production. As we go up further, then it's medical, power, oil and gas. And these are all the sectors predominantly where we are present in India.
Very nice. So, sir, talking about your technology, I was reading about it that you have a patented technology. What is the USP of SolidCAM?
SolidCAM has a very unique product called as iMachining. And iMachining, the claim to fame of iMachining is that we have seen over the last decade that our customers can save anywhere between 70 to 90% of their time on the machine using this technology, keeping everything same, the machine, the material, the tooling, and the fixturing the same. Changing just the programming to iMachining can allow them to save approximately about 70 to 90% on hard materials with even the smallest of the tools. So this is a patented solution. Nobody can copy us. And iMachining basically has 2 components. One is a patented pattern generator, and the other one is a patented solution called Technology Wizard, which basically comes up with the most optimum cutting conditions for that given machine, for that given material, for that given geometry and the tool. And this basically is our USP. Since last couple of years, we also added to our kitty another very interesting solution for machining or handling Swiss type machines. We were very novice a few years back, but I'm very proud to say that from the last year, we have been very powerful and we are becoming more and more in on-demand solution for handling Swiss type and really complex mill-turn machines.
Very nice. So I have also worked with a lot of Swiss type machine manufacturers in past. So and these kind of machines are being used more and more in India, especially at very high pressure machines are there.
Right.
So I think that is a very interesting product, and I have heard that nobody else has this kind of product.
Yes. Swiss type solution is basically a very complex solution, and more than the product, it's basically the support and the post-processor ability of the product that matters more in Swiss type machining. And SolidCAM has all got these 3 components right: the product, the support, and the post-processor. All of these three things are right inside SolidCAM, and they are very, very powerful, including our support to handle these machines.
Very interesting. And how do you support your customer? I've heard from a lot of your customers that you have a very good after sales and service support team.
If you look at my team today, out of the 50 people, about 70% people are into support. So they are basically hired to do after sales support. And we have two modes of support. One is online. Because of the pandemic, we learned in a very hard way that we could also support customers using the online mode. And we still are continuing that. Most of the trainings and basic support still happens online. But for complex situations, online doesn't work. Our engineer has to go to the customer's place to do the support. So basically, this is how we work. And most important thing is the training. So we invest a lot in training customers, so that if the training is done properly, our support calls drop dramatically. So we do invest a lot in our training also.
That's a very innovative approach. Like you are training your customer so that they can solve their problem themselves. Then you are using online media to solve the problem.
That's right.
At the end, problem should be solved for the customer.
That's right.
And that too quickly. Right?
Absolutely.
So we are in this die mold show. So talking specifically about die mold manufacturer, what kind of help, if their viewers are watching, what kind of help and support SolidCAM can give to die mold manufacturer?
Ashutosh, if you had asked me this question 2 years back, I would have said, apart from machining, we probably cannot help much to the customers in die mold. However, since last year, we have started working very closely with another company from Israel called R&B. And this company develops solution for mold design and electrode design. So we have got a full solution now inside SolidWorks, where we can offer part design, which is predominantly from SolidWorks. And then we have a product called SplitWorks, which takes the part design from SolidWorks and splits it into core cavity and sliders very easily. And once the core cavity and slider design is done, then we have a product called as ElectrodeWorks. And ElectrodeWorks helps to design, document, and manufacture electrodes for the EDM process. And once the SplitWorks and ElectrodeWorks is done, the entire tool mold can be built using the product called as MoldWorks, where we support more than 20 different catalogs from all over the world. And of course, we have SolidCAM, which is a very powerful system for 3-axis and 5-axis machining. So we can now support the entire process, right from part concept design up to manufacturing. Everything in one software, in one window, using single window integration, what we have with SolidWorks.
Very interesting, sir. So I'm sure that viewers who are looking at this, they might be interested in 70% savings by using your iMachining patented technology.
Call us, test us.
So that's my next question. To the millions of viewers of MTD CNC, can you tell how should they contact you?
You can go to our website, www.solidcam.com, or you could write us at info.india@solidcam.com. Write to us, challenge us. We are more than glad to help you cut down your machining time on the machine using iMachining and SolidCAM.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your precious time. It's
Thank you,
always
Ashutosh.
a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you. Same here. Thank you.